Hey everyone, this is Todd Frederick of Wider Than Snow Appliances in Piedmont, South Carolina. Thought I'd run this quick video here to let you kind of benefit from my research and stuff. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Wider Than Snow. And if you want to, you can go to our BitChute channel. It's bitchute.com/WTSA. But what we're working on here, we got it fixed now. This Maytag Centennial, it wasn't spinning out, so did the usual, replaced the lid switch, tested it out, then it still didn't spin. Replaced the actuator, that didn't work, it still was not spinning. Replaced the control board with just another one to see if that would work, and it didn't. Did the same thing. I even changed the splutch. So of none avail, and so then what I did, I put everything back on after I found out the problem. I replaced the motor capacitor, and I didn't see anybody online say anything about replace the motor capacitor, but for this particular instance, it apparently wasn't powering up the motor enough to even want to spin it out. So I put that on, solved the problem, and anyway, I thought I'd pass that on to those of you who are out there with the same problem. It was pumping out and it would agitate, but it just wouldn't spin. So anyway, hopefully that'll be a help. Give us a call, shoot us a message if you need parts. We ship them all over the United States. We also recondition appliances and resell them. So yeah, look us up. Click that like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, let us know if this has been a help, and we shall look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Happy New Year.